Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy Talk English, the place where you can practice real English conversations every day.
We're really happy you're here with us today.
Today, we're going to talk about a very small but extremely powerful word in English.
Yes, a word that native speakers use all the time.
The word is get.
If you listen to everyday English conversations, you'll hear this word everywhere.
For example, people say, "Did you get my message? I need to get some coffee. I got home late. I don't get it."
One word, many meanings.
Exactly, and that's why learners sometimes get confused.
So today, we'll explore the most common meanings of get.
One of the most common meanings of get is receive,
For example, I got a message.
or I got an email.
Or, I got a package.
Yesterday, I got a package from an online store.
What did you get?
New headphones. My old ones finally stopped working.
That happens to me all the time.
Another meaning of get is become,
For example, I get tired after work.
or I get hungry around noon.
Do you ever get nervous before presentations?
Yes, sometimes. Even after many presentations, I still get a little nervous.
That's normal. Most people get nervous when speaking in front of others.
Another meaning of get is arrive,
For example, I got home at 7.
or what time did you get to work?
Yesterday, I got home very late
Why?
because I had dinner with friends.
Another meaning is understand,
For example, I get it.
or do you get what I mean?
Teachers often say this when explaining something.
If students understand, they say, yes, I get it.
Let's quickly review.
Get equals receive, get equals become, get equals arrive, get equals understand. Get up means leave your bed.
Example, I get up at 7 a.m.
What time do you usually get up?
Around 7:30.
That's not too early.
Get ready means prepare for something.
For example, I need to get ready for work.
Or, she's getting ready for a party.
Get to means arrive at a place.
Example, I get to work at 9.
Yesterday, I got to work late because of traffic.
Traffic can make mornings stressful. Get back means return.
Example, I'll get back home around 6.
Or, I'll get back to you later.
Get along means have a good relationship.
Example, I get along with my coworkers.
Do you get along with your neighbors?
Yes, they're very friendly. Get over means recover from something.
Example, she's getting over a cold.
Or, he's trying to get over a difficult situation.
Get used to means become accustomed to something.
Example, I'm getting used to my new job.
New routines take time.
Today, we learned several phrasal verbs.
Get up, get ready, get to, get back, get along, get over, get used to.
We'll explore more advanced uses.
Now let's talk about some advanced meanings of get.
Sometimes get means buy or obtain.
Example, I need to get groceries.
Or, I'm going to get a new phone.
Another meaning is experience something.
Example, we got a lot of rain yesterday.
Or, I got a headache.
This means convince someone to do something.
Example, I got my friend to help me move.
Common mistakes.
The past tense of get is got, not getted.
Correct. I got a message.
Get in touch means contact someone.
Get out of hand means become uncontrollable.
Get the hang of means learn how to do something.
So, how was your weekend?
Pretty good. I finally got some time to relax.
Nice. Did you get out of the house?
Yes, I met a friend for coffee.
What did you get?
A cappuccino and a croissant.
Sounds delicious. Final review.
Get means receive. Get means become. Get means arrive. Get means understand. Get means obtain. Get means experience.
The word get is one of the most useful words in English.
The best way to learn it is by listening and practicing.
Listener question.
Tell us in the comments, what did you get done today?
Maybe you got your homework done.
Maybe you got home early.
Or maybe you got good news.
Thanks for listening to Easy Talk English.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.